Here in the Students' Union, we want to say a quick congratulations to all those receiving their results today, and we can't wait to welcome you to Aberystwyth.
Getting into university is a massive achievement, and you should all be really proud of yourselves.
University is going to be the best 2 years of your life, and we're here to help you make the most of it.
We look forward to meeting you, and there are plenty of opportunities to join a sports club, society, or get involved with volunteering.
And we'll be seeing some of you become academic representatives.
We can't wait to see you in Freshers Week, where we'll introduce you to all the aspects of the student life here in Aberystwyth.